Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about the different match types of keywords in Google Ads. The keywords are the foundation of any successful Google AdWords campaign. So it's important to understand the different type of keywords and how to use them effectively. So let's jump right into it. The first match type we will be discussing is the broad match. With a broad match, your ads may show up for a wide range of services that are related to your keywords. Let's say you have the keyword shoes for men. So if you use the keyword in broad match, your ad could potentially appear when someone searches for the search terms like men's shoes, footwear for men, or sometimes even sneakers. This match type gives you a lot of reach, but it's important to keep an eye on the relevance and the potential wasted ad spend. Here is an example. So let's imagine you are running a shoe store and you have selected the broad match type for your keywords. A customer searching for the words like shoes for men would be able to see your ad, which is great. However, with the broad match, your ad may also appear for the searches like sandals for women, while your shoes might be relevant to some women, but could be wasting the ad spend on the low quality clicks as well. The next match type is the phrase match. To avoid some of the irrelevant clicks, we have a phrase match. This match type allows you to target searches that include your keyword ad as phrases or a close variation. For example, let's use the same keyword shoes for men in phrase match. Your ad will appear for searches like buy shoes for men or discounted shoes for men. Phrase match gives you more control over the ad's relevancy while still casting a wider net. Here is another example. A user searching for where can I buy shoes for men will see your ad as the search query fits your keyword phrase shoes for men. With phrase match, you are more likely to appear for searches specifically related to the keywords while still allowing for some variations for the search phrase. So now the final match type of the keyword is the exact match. Lastly, let's talk about the most targeted match type, which is the exact match. As the name suggests, this match type ensures that your ad will only appear for searches that exactly match your keyword. For our shoes for men example, your ad will only show when someone searches for shoes for men without any additional words or variations. This example shows how exact match narrows down your ad's visibility to specific searches that perfectly match your keyword. By going with an exact match, you can reach a highly relevant audience, maximizing your ad spend efficiency. So now the main question is, which match type is the most effective? The most effective match type depends on your campaign goals and budget. This will allow you to reach wider audience, but it's important to monitor your results closely to make sure that your ad is showing for the relevant searches. If you have a bigger budget, then also you need more control over where your ad shows. You can then use the phrase match or the exact match keywords. So if you want to have good quality clicks coming in and you have good search volume for the keywords that you are using, then we need to use the phrase match and the exact match keywords. But on the other side of things, if you are in a specific niche and you don't have good search volume for the keywords, there you can try using the broad match so that you will be able to get some clicks coming in, and you can just do the search term as the keywords in the campaign so that you can get some more clicks for the same spend. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tricks. See you in the next video.